get pumped up. Another green day. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Might be my record day so far. I don't know if I've ever had a bigger day than today. Don't think I've ever had a bigger day. $25,000 in 1 freaking minute. This is the account we're going to be trading. 250K Elite Trader funding. Let's see if we get a 15-minute opening range trade. When are we getting another Apex 90? I have no idea. I want to show you guys the opening range trade. It's just I got on pretty late. Got a new setup going. Got my headphones in.
So when I talk like this, I could actually hear myself.
And not talk like that for 10 minutes? Good morning, guys. Good morning. How we doing? I got to put up the P&L. P&L is not up on the charts. Fix that. Oh yeah, big day today. I passed 3 Apex accounts on the earnings. We're running out of space again. And tricky ORB today. Tricky ORB today for sure, but got it. Ooh. I avoided this short only because we had this trap, right? So the trap setup that I play right here, I mean, this opened right there and it dropped 12 points and I didn't enter short because of the trap setup. Only reason. If it would have went lower, I would have went short, but also another $1,500 from Take Profit Trader. Man, these 150K accounts are gonna be crazy. And we got $10,000 on 2 accounts. Well, almost. almost on this one. And here we got $10,000 on one single account from Apex. See, we could argue all we want about 25K, 50K versus 150K accounts. I'm not arguing. I'm showing you guys what I think is better by doing it, right? I'm not going to argue whatever is better for you is better for you. I don't care. I also thought 50K accounts were better for me. Never had a $10,000. And I'm not even like at payouts, you know? Like this is still fairly new account. It's not even that old. It's insane. How Bullnox works? Yeah, we could talk about that, but I'm gonna try to focus on this 15-minute opening trade first, and then it looks like it's rejecting it. I was nervous today because I wasn't planning on taking all my accounts, but of course I got to my desk too late. I was on Twitter, I was on Instagram scrolling like a dummy in the bed. So I got out late, and then by the time I showered and stuff, it was like 9:20. So I didn't really get to break down my accounts the way I wanted it to, and not trade the ones I didn't want to trade. The only ones I did not trade is the Bullnox ones, because those were, you know, guaranteed payouts. I had to trade one just so I don't get any flip days. And then this is the account we're gonna trade now on stream. So I've traded all my accounts. That's insane. Yeah, this is my big. This is $20,000 almost, $19,000 on Rhythmic accounts, and then $4,000 here. So $23,000 day. And I think I passed my funded futures. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if there's a consistency rule or not. So I'm just gonna keep trading it till it tells me I passed. Ooh, Bullnox? And people use my code for Bullnox for once? No. Maybe it's like a lifetime thing. ORB killed it today. I mean, ORB kills it every day that it wins. It's just how much size do you put on it? You know, it's the same every single day. It's just how much size I use, and that's when I get bigger days. You know, it's not really. It's not like one of those trades where it's like if it works extra well today, I'll make more money. It's the same, but it was tricky. It was not easy. I know one of my friends couldn't trade today, and then my other friend got caught short. I avoided the short because of the trap, right? The pullback, higher high, previous swing low is the trap level. So I waited patiently for the short. I was nervous too. I was like, oh, I'm looking at this pattern. I'm like, I'm either gonna miss this trade if it just dumps, but I'm not gonna force it. Too many times I got bottom ticked in here, and then Yeah, no way to survive that either. 150 ticks. But I am going to start sizing down, guys. I've been saying this for a long time, but I got to start sizing down. I have way too much money in these accounts, and there's no point of risking. And also, you know, that day, the one red day this month is killing me when it comes to Apex. Literally killing me. 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, $14,000 denied. $13,000 denied. All because of that one day. Hopefully these accounts don't get denied. I'm gonna request from these accounts today, just in case if they get denied, they get reset, and then next month's gonna be a killer. Next month's gonna be a killer. Again, I broke the rules. You know, July 8th, I pretty much blew the accounts. So I just didn't think it was that many. I thought it was only 6 accounts, but I guess not. But now I grew the accounts so much that going below the 30% drawdown is gonna, 50% drawdown is gonna be much more difficult. These are brand new accounts. I just passed them yesterday on earnings. So I'm gonna be aggressive on these 3. These are already, trading small. This one I might have to increase size again, just a little bit, just to get more cushion on it. But I got almost, wow, this is insane to see. I can't even believe in my own eyes. Another $1,500 from Take Profit, man. Take Profit Trader alone, the Take Profit Trader 150K account alone is going to pay all my bills every month. If I get like $4,000 a month from that account, all my bills are paid. It's crazy. It's the best prop firm. There's just no, look, can't compare it. How do you make money before the market open? I don't make money before the market open. I make money at the market open right here. Every day. Same thing every day. 27 ticks today. I use a lot of size. QT, I use a lot of size. Like if I could show you how much size I use.
Order submitted.
Look, 10 contracts, 8 contracts, 12 contracts, 6 contracts, 8 contracts. So it's just 5.5 points. It's 27 ticks on NQ, and I multiply it by a lot.
Canceled.
Corey, keep it PG-13 over here, okay? Or else I'm gonna start yelling. Just kidding. How did it not fill you at the market at the bottom? Okay, talked about it. You see this pattern, right? A pattern I talk about all the time. This is the pattern I trade during the day. Higher high, pull back, another higher high. So what does this level become? A trap. So I did avoid the short today. If it would have continued, I probably would have jumped in. But the initial pullback, I did not jump into. It's a trap. It's a pattern I talk about every day. And I've gotten caught in that and just experience at this point. And what do you mean I don't talk about? I talk about it every single day. How hard is it to understand that at the open, you could see clearly where the open is, right? not gonna give out like every single detail, but you could do on your own. Look, this is pre-market. Hopefully I don't miss the 15-minute opening trade. This is pre-market. Oh, too much. This is pre-market. Look what happens at the open. Range. Range. Expands. That's the opening range trade. It's not anything else. It's not this range. Has nothing to do with that. It's the fact that candles become much bigger at the open and you could take advantage of the volatility. And do it every single day and you will learn how to do it. Just do it small, do it with micros, do it on demo, do it on evals. Don't do it on PAs because you're going to get burnt and you're going to get pissed off. If you're just going to practice for 2 years, you're going to get it. I talk about it all the time. Like, it's really, I just don't show it on stream. That's more a thing that, plus I would get so nervous trying to do it in front. You know how many people we would have watching? I remember doing it. We had like 800 people watching last year. You think I want that many people following me into a trade? I mean, no, not everyone would follow me, but like, you know, 200-300 people would follow me in. But it's the patience. You know, it's sometimes I lose the patience and I set myself back. You know, the patience, like on July 8th, I keep talking about it, but like I lost patience that day and I blew so many accounts that I would have had small loss. I ended up losing them or hitting daily loss limit, and then it took me forever to make them back. But my Tradeify accounts are out of drawdown too, pretty much. My Tradeify accounts are out of drawdown. Maybe it's time to size up on those. Currently, I take 6 contracts on those. Am I friends with Patrick Wieland? Yes. I'll be there. I'll be there sometime in November, I think. Nutty's going there in November, so I said maybe me too. But then I realized I am pretty busy with work in November, so I don't know if I'll be able to do a whole week. The plan was to do a whole week. But maybe I'll just do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or something. How do you place your entry? With the bracket. Like this. So if I was looking for a short, let's say, you know, the price was doing what I wanted it to, then that's how I place the order. And then once I'm in, I'll move my stop. A lot of times it doesn't even go against me at all, so I don't even have to move a stop. But stop is usually around 80 ticks, right? So I have pretty much a decent amount of time to put the stop in. All right, waiting for this 15-minute opening low to get broken and then retest it, and I'll take a short. If it doesn't do it, then we'll look for longs. Definitely strong earnings yesterday, so I didn't pass any evals here. I didn't even get filled. But I passed evals here on this move. I think my Bullnox code should be fixed now. Yes. The Bullnox code is fixed. Elite Trader Funding has the Beat the Beast challenge, but I don't like it today. It's not a good one. It's for static accounts. We don't really care for static accounts. I should be able to get payouts today from Elite Trader Funding, actually. Yeah, the static accounts are too expensive. But it shows you how much more edge there is if you have a static drawdown versus trailing or end of day. Like, look how much more expensive $2,000 of drawdown is versus this. Like, I'd rather take $6,500 of trailing drawdown than $2,000 of static. And I'm sure the payouts are smaller too. Can I flip on Bullnox Master? Only 2 days, okay? Only 20% of the days. So be very, very careful. You could screw yourself up really easily. Let's say, because you could request, like I'm going to request the payout tomorrow, right? If I would have flipped on these accounts today and tomorrow, I'm not going to trade them anymore, right? They're at 10 days. If I would take these accounts and flip them today and tomorrow, they would get denied because I flipped too many times. Even though I'm already at payout, I already traded for 10 days and I already have one flip day in there because Monday is a flip day since I didn't really win. And I think I flipped one more day, I think, actual flip. Monday was just a trade that didn't work. I only made like 30, 40 bucks. So that counts as a flip day. So if I would, if I was to flip these today and tomorrow just to get extra days, I would get denied because I would be trading over 20% with flips. So I'm not touching these accounts until I get paid on Wednesday. So next Wednesday will be the next time I trade these accounts, which kind of sucks because, miss out on profit. But I've lost accounts before and I don't want to do it again. Carmino, there are 15 days to pay out, so it's kind of long. And very strict rules, so I don't know. Price is good. All right. Can we finally break? All right. Finally, we get a break. I'm going to wait for a retest. And then if we retest and it failed, then I'll go short. Yep, kind of like that. I'm only going to go for 27 ticks if it fails because yesterday I went for 40 and I only went 31 and I got screwed. But is it going to reject or is this going to continue higher? Is there any giveaway today? Yes, if you guys hit the likes. If we get to 300 likes, then we'll do a giveaway again. Every day this week, if we get to 300 likes, we'll do a giveaway. I told you guys I promised you guys I'll make up for the short streams last week since my friend was visiting. I don't know how long the stream's gonna be today because I do have to do some things. I scheduled mulch delivery and installation, so I don't have to do it myself. But I have to prep. All right, I am in. Close. And I'm out. Let's go. Of course, today's gonna probably dump and give me more than 40 ticks, but we'll take that as a start on this account. Yep, of course. Of course, 40 ticks would be no problem today. See how they get you? How do I set up an account summary window in QUANTOWER? It's a plugin. Plugin. Wow, of course, today falls apart. Unbelievable. It's not free, no. But there is a free version in QUANTOWER. If you download the newest QUANTOWER beta, you should be able to get an account summary. I don't know what it looks like. I haven't seen it. And this one is going to be sick because now with this one, with this plugin, I'll be able to set daily loss limits. So I'm going to make sure I set my daily loss limits to, 30% of the account. Certain accounts, if I'm trading 2 contracts, I don't want to lose more than $1,000. The key to my success, hopefully, in the near future is going to be holding these trades longer. Number one. Just kidding. That should have been 40 ticks. I don't know. I went for 27 because yesterday didn't give me 40, and I should use bigger size too. But the 50-minute opening range trade has been working pretty well after a retest. I'll give it that this whole week. Yeah, so my point is that let's say on this is the account that copies into my TraderVate account. That's why I've been using bigger size, but I got to switch this account to a different one because I have $10,000 in this account now. No point of risking, right? So I'm going to size down to like 3 contracts. And I'm going to size down 3 contracts. If I lose, I'm going to lose like $1,500. And the next following day, if I lose $1,500, I'm going to trade the same size, whatever I traded, probably 3 contracts. So I'll make like $300-400 out of the 1,500. And then I'm going to go back to this size. I'm going to go back to, 6, 7, 8 contracts. The following day, if I win the next day, then the following day, the 3rd day after the loss, I will just size up, try to get the loss back. And if I get it back, I'll size down again. Just so I don't have to waste like, a week to recover the losses. I am so excited. I haven't been this excited in a very long time about trading. I feel like the last time I was this excited was when I discovered that the opening range trade was actually working really well. Because now I feel like I'm not going to blow the accounts when things don't go well. Let's just hope I don't go on tilt. What was the reason behind my trade? That's a 15-minute. So this is the 15-minute low, the blue line. So this is a tick chart. I use tick charts. So when it goes below and then retests, I take a short. I've been doing that every day. But yesterday I did it, and unfortunately yesterday, he didn't give me didn't give me 40 ticks. It only gave me 31 ticks. So that's why today I went for a smaller target. But now I'm going to be looking for a long. Maybe not just yet, but who knows? Technically, this is a two-legged pullback. I might take a long. This was a two-legged pullback here. Damn, this is right here. What is the plugin called? It's called, I could just send you the link. It's a little pricey, but it's awesome. It's cost of one PA account, and it has a lot of more features now than just a summary. I use my own strategies. I think that's the biggest thing is I use my own strategies. So it's hard to explain every time someone asks without doing like a full breakdown, you know? Let's give. Oh, I missed the trade. Missed it. I'm not gonna chase. I missed it right there. Supposed to go long above this high here, and I didn't. Did I make a YouTube video about it? No, I don't teach how to trade. You know, I have a big pet peeve with that. I always say I will make a video when I have good examples, but for me, like teaching how to trade, you need to be a professional trader for a long time, and you are not trading prop firms. You're trading a real account, or you're trading with a big prop firm, not sim accounts, right? So it's like, who am I to teach how to trade? I know people make videos and they get clicks and you get views and whatnot, but at the end of the day, a lot of times they don't even trade the strategy. And they don't give you live examples of the strategy. But I think it's going to be time tomorrow to size up a little bit on the 15-minute opening range trade. We do have this little two-legged pullback here. I just don't know. It's at resistance now. Do I take it? It's not the first pullback. This was right here was the first. Here was a trap. So this was, I'm going to go long here. If it goes. But here is the same example as to why like I didn't take my short on the opening range. It's the same pattern. Okay, let's see if this works. I don't think it will easily. Yeah, I think this resistance here is gonna be trouble. See if we could break it. Yeah, I should have taken this one here. I don't know why. Sometimes I just don't focus at the right time. Like you see, you got one pullback here, second pullback here, so I go long right there. Here I get one pullback here, one pullback here, and I go long here. But it's not working because it's too high, and I'll take a loss here soon. Don't want to take too big of a loss. It's gonna be too hard to make it back, so we'll just make it 750. It's gonna be a little bit bigger now because I added. Feels like this account always goes red before it goes green. Today actually went green before it went red, so. Gonna get stopped out here for sure. It's weak. But then hopefully keep selling off, because if it doesn't, then I'm gonna be stuck without a position. I'm not gonna retake it. There's no setup. So crazy how weak it gets. Like it looks so strong and all of a sudden it looks so weak. I wonder if it's making a higher low, if it's really gonna. If it stops me out, I won't be able to get in, and it's gonna suck because I feel like it might make a higher low here and just keep going higher, but it's kind of like an inverse head and shoulders. But it needs to break this range. I need to stop taking these trades. I really gotta stop taking these. I do it every day. And I miss the first one, and I missed the second one, so I went for the third one. Of course, the third one's not gonna work unless you get lucky. Wow, how did I not get stopped out there? Go up.
Come on, NASDAQ. Please go up.
Come on, break it now. Break it, break it, break it. If it doesn't break, this is just a trap. It'll fall apart. But if it falls apart, that's gonna be okay. The worst part is gonna be if it doesn't fall apart, it stops me out and then shoots up, then I'm out. But if it breaks down, stops me out, and goes to the lows, then that's not gonna be the end of the world. Oh man, this sucks. This sucks so bad. Oh, this sucks. Why did I get in these trades when it's too late? It's freaking too late. Everyone yell at me when it's too late. And why does it always get me in the top tick? Why? No matter what I put the order, like it always, if I'm next time I'm gonna just place the order like 10 points above the high. Oh, actually like 3 points. I'll do like 3 points above the high next time. See if it fills me. I mean, it is basing. It's looking good right now for a trade, but since I'm already in since here, it doesn't. I just get. I'm gonna take the one that I added off, so that way take off the risk in case it fails miserably. Made 7 points on that. Pine Tree, what's up? Krister, Andy, Mist, Arco, everyone's here today. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a short stream, guys. Just got a message from the mulch guy. They're gonna be here. Oh shit, I'm gonna have to end the stream like 11 o'clock. Damn it. Wish he let me know. Like, I thought he was gonna come tomorrow. Fuck. Does YouTube have raid? No. Damn, now I'm pissed. This guy didn't even let me know a day ahead. He's just telling me he's gonna be here after lunch. Hmm. What to do? What to do? Do I just tell him? Lower your take profit. And it's already small. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go. Like if it breaks out here, I am gonna stop out. Like if it gets like, close to my target, I'm gonna stop out, break even. Or maybe I should take one more off. But no, I think I can't take one off just because it hasn't worked yet. Just let it go. Making higher trend lines. It's a flat top. I'm surprised this didn't go, to be honest. Like it's gonna be one of those trades where when I get out, it's gonna just explode like it did yesterday. It happens all the time. I don't know why I have such bad timing sometimes. Sometimes I'm really good at timing the explosive moves, but sometimes it's the market's moving crazy. I enter, boom, flat line. It's just like I wait too long for the move or something. I don't know what it is. Like my two-legged pullback is right here, right? This is my first trade today. This is my second trade right here. I didn't enter in any of those. Why? Because I'm busy with chat. I'm busy with just being distracted. I'm not paying attention. I don't think it's going to happen so fast. And boom, you missed the trades. You got to be like laser focused. But that's because I get on stream too late. I get on stream too late, and then by the time we say hello and all this stuff, and then people ask questions, obviously things you get, you miss. That's why I like streaming after I'm done trading. I'll say I'm done trading, and then it's so much easier to answer questions. Yeah, I hate the beast challenge, unfortunately. I was hoping to do one or two more accounts, but they're gonna realize no one's gonna do that challenge. I don't think it's gonna work. Maybe we should just take it off. UK futures trader, thank you. What an annoying trade. Oh, maybe it's a good thing that I gotta end the stream soon. Still looks good long, but I don't know. It just has a lot of trouble here for some odd reason. I guess it's these previous lows. Oh my God, it's so difficult. I'm out of this fucking trade. Fuck this. Let it go without me. I don't care anymore. So stupid. Yeah, of course. Of course. Unbelievable. How is this possible? Wow. That is the craziest thing. I was in this trade for how long now? Holy shit. 15 minutes, 2 seconds after I get out, it goes. Unbelievable, guys. Holy shit. Thank God I'm green on this account. Otherwise, I'll get back in. It's crazy. You can't make this shit up. Like, this is why, like, oh, what's your strategy? Learn how to control your emotions during this, okay? Because I'm going crazy right now, but I'm going to control my emotions enough not to press the button to get back in. But I like to vent out. I got to scream and yell and call the market names. And this is something no one could teach you. No one's going to teach you how to control your emotions in events like this. And everyone's going to go through these cycles. I wasn't looking at the chat when I closed it, so. I'm so mad. See, I knew I was going to be so much more mad closing it. Whatever, no damage done. Broke even on that trade. I think I made like a few bucks actually. Oh my God, man, life gets difficult sometimes with the trading like this. When the market gets slow as soon as you enter a trade. Oh, Perry, you got it to the short side. Congrats. That's a tough one to the short side. Arco, can we stop with the caps, please? All right, I think I'm gonna be done though. Hold on, let me see. Mm, I don't know what to do. Texting this guy with mulch. Oh my god! I knew I should have done it before. See, this is why I'm so bad. This is why I'm so bad. I procrastinate with everything. Now this guy's ready to come, and I'm not ready for the mulch. And if he drops it off and he does it, it's gonna make my life so much more difficult. You know what, guys? I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna go see how much work I really need to do. See if I could get it done before he comes, and then I'll try to do a power hour stream. TB, it's not about that. It's just I'm lazy. And I don't wanna postpone till next week with the mulch, and my trees need the mulch because it keeps the moisture and stuff. Should have done it a long time ago, but then I got weeds in there, and I want to cut the. Let me show you guys what I want to do. See, you want to cut the mulch beds like this. Maybe I could do it afterwards. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna end it because I'm gonna go see how long it's gonna actually take me to do that. So I could let him know to come today or tomorrow, and then I'll try to do a power hour stream, guys. I will try my best. Okay. Sorry for a short stream. I hate it. When you do stuff around the house, it's like you could hire people to do it, but you still got to do a lot of it yourself. So unfortunately, even though it's my best day, maybe ever, I don't know, $24,000 today, I have to end the stream. I'm so mad. But hey, Nutty's back. Go say hello to Nutty. Tell Nutty I said hello and welcome back. All right, I'll be back for power hour. Most likely. Luna is streaming. You could take a look at Luna's stream. How did you make 24K today? 19 and that's another 4,000 here. 5,000 with my funded futures. Plus evals with take profit. I'm gonna have a lot of funded accounts with take profit soon again. Let's go. All right, guys. I'll see you all a little bit later on. Sorry about that, but gotta go do some work. Later, guys.